Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to get your Telegram profile link. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the settings option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on my profile. And after this, you can see your username here. Now you can tap on the QR code icon that is next to the username, and here you can just simply now tap on share QR code at very last, and now you can tap on copy, and this is the way you can copy your Telegram profile link, and this is the way you can get Telegram profile link. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.